Why a food truck or food trailer business? This week I'm going to change things up a bit. Usually we are providing information and advice on how to help your food truck or food truck trailer business, but this week I want to give a tidbit about menus and guidelines you should follow, but before I do, I want to ask a question and dig into the why. Why a food truck or trailer business? I also ask that if you like this video, give it a like and a subscribe for other food truck related videos. Now, what made you decide to open a food truck or trailer business? Some people may open a business because of the restaurant they own, some because they know they make great food and want to share with others. Others have been told that they have great food and great ideas and they should share it with everybody. Let us know in the comments what's your why. And if you're still researching on how to open your food truck business, stay tuned as we have some helpful information and tips. Now for menus. There are guidelines that you may want to follow to help your menu be flexible, yet still allow a number of menu options. The trick is overlapping. Having a menu that consists of many of the same ingredients in all menu items can make your menu easy, yet provide options for your customers. For example, if you have a gourmet burger truck, only having a few cheese options and limited bun options can allow a variety of menu choices for the customer, but keep things simple for your truck. You will always have your core ingredients, but having a few side ingredients like jalapenos or mushrooms, in this case could add even more menu possibilities and still keep things simple and rolling fast. Overlapping ingredients allows for simplicity yet variety. So now what if you're still researching about opening your food truck or trailer? This information still applies and may be more helpful than for a business that is already established. But if you'd like to learn more, I suggest you check out the video that is displaying on your screen next. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay notified for future videos from us. And one last thing, check out the Food Truck Guide's Heartbeat community. We offer great tips and info about food trucks along with info from the community as well.